हुआ ही बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से था कि बातचीत के दौरान इट जस्ट केम अप दैट दिस ब्यूटीफुल रोल इज हैपनिंग एंड देन वो जब एक्साइटमेंट बढ़ जाता है कि एक पॉसिबिलिटी है कि इसको हम ऐसा करते हैं, वो फिर उस तरह से डिस्कशंस होते रहे एंड द वे ही just gave all the hues to Nandini was really lovely. And for me it was like easy to just follow him. वो रास्ता दिखाते गए, हम चलते गए. मेरा काम था एंजॉय करना. मैं बहुत एंजॉय करके आई. थोड़ा घबराई क्योंकि मेरे लिए बिल्कुल नई दुनिया है. एक तो ये चेहरे जो हैं वो इन बहुत प्यार दे चुके हैं सीजन 1 में. So it felt really nice just being a nice and a little what do you say, a little butterflies in the tummy to just enter something with season 2. So yes, and then you trying to unearth के ये कैसे करेंगे. 3-4 दिन तो उसमें लगते हैं आपको, लेकिन मज़ा आया. बहुत कुछ सीखा और बहुत कुछ नहीं सीख के भूल गई और फिर से सीखा. अनलर्निंग जिसे कहते हैं. वो बहुत खूबसूरत चीज़ है. एक मुझे शबाना जी ने बहुत सुंदर बात की थी कि जब आप एक्टिंग करते हैं तो आप बहुत कई बार मेजर्ड होते हैं कि ये इधर से नज़र सिर्फ इधर देखी तो कितना सुंदर एक्सप्रेशन वो हमें लगता है. लेकिन जो हमारे साथ जो बाकी म्यूजिशियंस है they were raw and suddenly you see कि एक ने ऐसे ही झटका मार के कर दिया. It looked lovely. So I'm like एक्टिंग सिर्फ आँख नज़र ऐसे नहीं करना होता है. It's also about just being you, just being in the moment. And that energy I got from them. And this girl here has been so hardworking and very sincere in spite of being there through season 1 and getting all the love. I think she's held everyone through the new family that she had. So yeah, it just felt amazing to belong to this world. You better have that in everything you do because वो नहीं होगा तो गाड़ी चलेगी नहीं. वो चाहिए. अगर आप बहुत श्योर हो जाएंगे कि मुझे तो अपना काम आता है, I think there's never enough. You always have to learn, especially when you're doing something like Bandish. Music is a zone जहाँ आप मतलब जितना भी सीख लें वो कम होता है. और यहाँ तो बहुत रिसर्च करके हमारे डायरेक्टर आए और बहुत खूबसूरती से सब कैरेक्टर्स को कार्व किया और सबको एक दूसरे से इंटरट्वाइन किया बहुत खूबसूरती. सो वो नुआंसेस को पकड़ के बस एंजॉय करना था. एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी ऑल डिड, आई थिंक. एंड इट्स टर्न्ड आउट really beautiful as an experience, as a show, and as something that I would probably talk back and say I'm so proud of it.
Pressure. There was a lot of excitement because we're very grateful people have waited for 4 years for us. So I think there was just excitement to kind of give that love back to the audience in the form of season 2. So pressure, I think, was sort of self-inflicted for me because when I read the script, I realized there's a lot of prep required. You know, Tamanna's character goes to music school. Shreya also went to music school. So yeah, it was equal parts of nervousness and excitement. And how did I deal with it? I mean, I had an amazing bunch of people around me, starting from Anand and Amrit to Divya ma'am to the entire cast. But there's a scene actually in the show that really stayed with me without giving out too much about how Divya ma'am's character basically indirectly explains, you know, you're constantly thinking about how you're not good enough, this is not good enough, this, that, blah, blah, blah. But sometimes you have to just tell yourself, I am enough. That's the sense of what she's trying to say. And that really stayed with me. So, yeah. It was actually quite beautiful because Tamanna and Shreya were learning and figuring out things every single day simultaneously. Like you said, it's majorly there in the writing. But the workshops that I did with Anand, they really helped. Because obviously I had a backstory, very solid one from season 1. But in season 2, like you said, because there is a arc, there is this, you know, transformation that happens in her. I had to just hold on to that because the decision of going to music school and becoming a student from being a star, it stems from a lot of maturity. So then everything that, Tamanna was doing from there had to have that as a foundation. So if you see her when you see her in season 2, hopefully people will kind of, pick up on that or relate to that or get empowered by that. Not that I'm saying she's right or wrong. She's a flawed human being and she makes mistakes and she's learning.
But that's what makes it very relatable.
Yeah,
isn't it?
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So those are all the things that we really kind of try to work around. Like Anand would always say this thing to me. He's like, what would Tamanna do? He's like, ask yourself that. And I'm like, okay.
So I'm not somebody who really intellectualizes acting. Like I don't think I'm capable of thinking so seriously of myself, and so I don't know if I actively learned anything, but I know just by existing in the same room and then just by having even the smallest interactions, I know energetically I'm absorbing a lot more from her, from the way that she's saying her lines, from the way that she's breathing in between her lines, the way that she's choosing to look at what point and everything. I know, and I hope I did. I know I did sort of somewhere absorb that subconsciously, but actively I don't I just get very overwhelmed if I try to think about something very consciously. So I just like to keep it that way, and I'm glad because ma'am was very she's that kind of person as well who just internalizes her process, and you can just watch and learn. You don't have to necessarily talk all the time and learn. There's something messed up with my brain where it's a combination of the ability to do it exactly the way that it has happened before and then also not. And it's just a weird combination of that, and having great scene partners who have one objective, that with every take we need to make sure that we get it right. And if you need something from me, then we incorporate that, and it's always and it's in one of those combinations something. But no, that was it. So that something magical happened.
But I think it cannot be a solo effort of any actor. You have to feed off the other co-actor for sure. अगर उसने पॉज लिया तो मुझे भी मिलेगा पॉज. उसने मुझे किसी तरह से देखा तो मैं भी वैसे ही देखूंगी. कई बार the most fun is that you start on a certain level, the other actor will feed off that. When you say, okay, let me just give it another tonality, you start off on that level and the other actor will go there. That's the fun of doing the team thing. And I think here everyone's so receptive of taking on that. So I think I also really fed a lot from all of them.